Instagram Live not working. When I want to go live on Instagram, it's showing an error. Your account is no longer eligible for live. Why this error showing and how to fix it, in this video I'll show you. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open your profile. So click on profile and here check your Instagram account followers. Make sure you have to 1000 followers to make live on Instagram, because Instagram recently changed their requirements to go live on Instagram. Only public accounts and over than 1000 followers account will be able to live on Instagram. If you have 1000 followers on your account, then follow next step to solve this problem. So that just click on 3-line icon and then just scroll down and select account privacy and make sure your account is public. If you have private account, then your account switch to public. After this process, if your problem is still not solved, then follow next step. Just scroll down and click on help and then report a problem, and then click on here and then click include and continue, and here describe your problem to Instagram help center and send your problem. After describing your problem, just click on send button and then wait for reply from Instagram. After this process, I hope your problem will be solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.